Hello everyone and welcome to my doll repaint video. 2 weeks ago in my shopping vlog, together with you I have bought this Pocahontas doll. And today I'm going to repaint her. I really love the Pocahontas doll, and this is the case when I like the doll even before the customization. I absolutely adore her long black hair, and her face mold is so amazing, I think. And even her clothes looks very acceptable. So let's see what I can do. First of all, I need to remove her clothes, shoes and the accessories. And then with pure acetone, I remove her makeup. I seal her face with 3 layers of Mr. Super Clear sealant, and when the sealant is dry, I take my pencils and start sketching her eyes. I work with Faber-Castell Albrecht Dürer watercolor pencils, and it's of course very important to keep your pencils very sharp when you work on such tiny objects. Her eyebrows I sketch with soft pastels and then shape them with a piece of an eraser. With the brown pencil, I start drawing the main shadows. Inside of her nose, of course, this place looks always very dark, and the line between her lips. Now I'm going to contour her face with brown pastels. I apply the dark color to the naturally darkest places on a human face. To the eye crease, to the sides of the nose, under the cheekbones, to the sides of the forehead and to the hairline. And I also apply darker shadows under her nose and around her lips. And it's very important to blend pastels very good. You don't want to have spots everywhere on your doll's face. Now the main contour is done and I am going to work on her skin color. First add a layer of light red pastels to give some warmth to her face. Then I add pinker blushers to her cheeks. So now when I'm happy about her skin color, I take again my watercolor pencils and start working on her eyes. Now I just add the main colors and don't draw them very detailed yet because I still need to add eye makeup and the shadows from the eyelashes. With a very sharp pencil, I start adding tiny hairs to her eyebrows. Her hair color is black, but for her eyebrows I will use a mix of brown pencils. And then in the end, I'm going to add some accents with a black pencil. There is some sort of rule not only in drawing but also in makeup, that if you have light hair, then the eyebrows should be a little bit darker. But if the hair are dark, then the eyebrows should be a little bit lighter. For the basic color of her lips, I use Indian red color soft pastels. And above the upper lip, I will draw the highlights. And now it's eye makeup time. For her eyes, I use also Indian red color pastels. And to the eyeline, I add some black pastels to imitate the shadow from the eyelashes. And now it's finally time to add details to her eyes and lips. Now I want to add still a touch of metallic bronze pastels to the highlighted zones. I really like these metallic pan pastels. They're not too shimmering, but they give a really nice glow to doll skin. And then with a sharp brown pencil, I draw the bottom eyelashes. Now the pencil part is over, I take my white acrylic paint and add highlights to her eyes. Now I just need to glue false lashes on and apply gloss to her eyes and lips. And here is my Pocahontas. What do you think about my version of the doll? Please don't forget to let me know in a comment. And me personally, I am absolutely in love with her face mold, so I think I will even buy another Pocahontas doll and turn her into some Asian beauty princess or something. So prepare, soon we will again go shopping together. And please don't forget to put your like under this video if you like my version of this Disney princess, because this really helps my channel to grow and to develop, and then I will be able to make more videos for you. And of course don't forget to subscribe if you're not on my channel yet. Every Friday I post here a new doll repaint, and on Wednesday and Saturday I share here my doll craft projects. And see you already tomorrow in my new doll video. Bye!